Hello traders, I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist. Friday morning here downtown Chicago. Good morning to everybody. We're here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, the corn market. We've had solid export sales in corn yesterday, and these trade tariffs talks, it seems like 2 steps forward, 1 step back. It's more involved with the soybean market than corn, but nonetheless, if U.S. and China are negotiating, I think that's an improvement. So we've got good, solid demand for our corn. It's still a weather market. It's dry out there, so I think looking ahead here Sunday night, where it rains, what it rains is going to be the driving force on the corn and soybean markets Sunday night. Our first chart of corn here, you can see the triple top here in the last 5 days. So technically the corn market, it looks a little top heavy here. I would not sell the market. I would buy breaks in these grain markets. And I think what's setting up here is we need more corn acres in 2019 in our great country, USA. And how does the corn market do that? It rallies to higher prices. So we're going to talk about that. Again, corn demand is hitting on all cylinders. So let's just hope and keep talking that this corn demand continues in a strong pace. Okay, the soybean market, you can see our next chart of soybeans. See if you can see this 4 days of lower highs and lower lows. So soybean market, it's still a weather market. Temperatures are cooler, but we do need rains out there. Demand continues very good, even without Chinese purchases of U.S. soybean. Again, next year in 2019, South America is going to plant gigantic acres of soybeans. So the market knows this, and we'll just see how we do here as we move through the month of August. Still really, really important for soybean production here in USA. Soybean crush, very strong, very stout, 14% higher than a year ago in the month of June. So crushers of soybeans continue strong for the soybean demand story. Okay, the wheat market, and we've been talking for weeks. You're getting leadership on wheat. So here we are. Here's our chart of wheat. Count the waves of the wheat market here. This is what I do on my technical analysis. And it's not 1, 2, 3 waves. It's multiple waves higher. This is a bull market in the wheat, okay? And it helps corn go higher. And this is, you're seeing European Union, you're seeing Ukraine, Russia, their wheat production is real question here, and they're certainly down maybe 20% from a year ago, something like that. Egypt, the biggest wheat buyer in the world today, they haven't bought U.S. wheat in a long time. Their origin wheat is Ukraine, Romania, Russia. Watch and see now, perhaps these prices of wheat in the world today, Egypt's going to buy U.S. wheat, and that's a strong antidote for our wheat prices here. Again, buy breaks in these wheat markets. It's a bull market. So setting up what I think is going to happen here, the funds are short corn and beans. I think they're going to cover some of these shorts. I think the end users are going to get coverage here, and I think the U.S. farmer is going to store grain and hope for higher prices. So Sunday night, weather's important here. It's August now. We need some rain in the Corn Belt. That'll be a driving force Sunday night. Everybody have an excellent weekend.